Did you know there's a simple tea that can lower blood sugar, fight infections, boost digestion, reduce pain, and even help you lose weight? It's not green tea, not ginger tea. It's guava tea, and today I'll show you why experts call it a miracle leaf in your kitchen. Stay with me, the last benefit will surprise you. Guava leaves have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine across Asia and South America. They contain antioxidants, flavonoids, tannins, and powerful compounds like quercetin, all of which protect your body from inflammation, infections, and chronic disease. Let's break down the science-based benefits of guava tea, how to make it, when to drink it, and who should avoid it. Guava leaf tea is one of the most effective natural drinks for lowering blood sugar. Studies show that compounds in guava leaves block the absorption of carbohydrates, helping prevent sugar spikes after meals. People with diabetes who drank guava leaf tea saw improved insulin function and more stable energy throughout the day. Guava leaves are rich in antibacterial and antiviral compounds. They can help your body fight infections like sore throat, cough, flu, and even stomach infections. They also help reduce inflammation and swelling inside the throat. If you struggle with bloating, gas, acidity, indigestion, or diarrhea, guava leaf tea can help. It contains tannins that reduce inflammation in the gut, kill harmful bacteria, and improve digestion. It also soothes the stomach lining, making it perfect for those with IBS or sensitive digestion. Guava leaf tea helps with weight loss, not by magic, but by controlling cravings, stabilizing blood sugar, and improving metabolism. It also prevents the conversion of complex carbs into sugar, which supports fat burning. Guava leaf tea is known for reducing menstrual cramps and pain. The compounds in guava leaves relax the muscles and reduce prostaglandins, the chemicals that cause pain. But we're not done yet. Guava tea also helps with better sleep, stronger immunity, clearer skin, reduced inflammation, lower cholesterol, healthier liver. This tea is truly a full-body healer. Here's how to make it. Take 5 to 7 fresh or dried guava leaves. Wash them well. Boil 2 cups of water. Add the leaves. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm. Optional. Add lemon or honey. Guava tea is safe for most people, but avoid or consult a doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Take diabetes medication, have severe digestive disease, are allergic to guava. So now you know why guava leaf tea is becoming so popular. It controls blood sugar, fights infection, boosts digestion, reduces pain, supports weight loss, and strengthens your body naturally. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Should I make a video on guava fruit benefits next?